Hi students, in this video we are going to learn question number 10 from exercise number 10.2. Our question is, prove that the angles between two tangents drawn from the external point, that is the angle between two tangents is this one from this external point. This is my external point. Suppose the external point we are taking as P and PA is one tangent and PB is another tangent. Center of the circle, let us consider it is O. Now the angle between the two tangents to a circle is supplementary to the angle subtended by the line segment joining the points of contact at the center. So this is one point of contact and this is another point of contact. Both are meet in the center. There also we are getting one more angle formed. So these two angles are supplementary. We need to prove now. Now we need to prove supplementary means sum of the two angles should come to 180 degree. So AOB, this angle name is AOB plus this angle name is APB. APB which is equal to 180 degree. This is what we need to prove. So let's start our proof now. So here before going to the angles, first we have to consider two triangles, that is AOP and BOP. We have two triangles in this diagram. We are going to prove they are congruent or not. We are going to check now. So proof, first let us consider the two triangles. So consider triangle AOP is one triangle, the another triangle BOP. We have two triangles in this diagram. So in these two diagrams, OA and OB are equal length because both are radius of the circle. So we can write OA is equal to OB. The reason is radius. That is radii, we can say that is a plural form of radius. Now the next one, OP is a common. It's a common line for both the triangles. So we can say that OP is equal to OP. That is a common side for both the triangles. So common side we can write. Next one, we have one more side, that is PA and PB. PA and PB also equal only because they are tangent of the circles. So PA is equal to PB. They are also equal. The reason is tangents. TGT means tangent short form. Tangents from external point. Tangent from external point is always equal. So this is one side, this is one side and this is one side. All the three sides of both the triangles are equal. So we can say that triangle AOP is congruent to triangle BOP. So these two triangles are congruent. Then we can state that all the remaining angles also equal under CPCT. So here this is 90 degree. Definitely this is also will be 90 degree because radius and tangent will always form a 90 degree to you. Then this angle and this angle will be equal under CPCT. See, that is corresponding parts of a congruent triangles are congruent. That means these two triangles are congruent. All the remaining angles will be equal. Suppose this angle is angle 1 means this angle also will be angle 1. This angle is AOP is angle 1. BOP is also angle 1. Suppose this angle is 2 means this angle also will be 2 only. Both angles are equal under CPCT we can say. So here let's write it. Let us consider the triangle alone now. Now consider, let's write it here. So we are going to consider the one half of the triangle. This triangle name is OAP. OAP is a triangle. We have three angles in this. One is angle 1, angle 2 and angle 90 degree. If I am adding all the three angles, definitely the answer should come to 180 degree because that is the angle sum property of a triangle. Whenever we are adding three angles of a triangle, that will come to 180 degree definitely. So the plus 90 take it into other side, that will become minus 90. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 minus 90. 180 degree minus 90 degree will give you 90 degree. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 90 degree we got. So from the diagram we can say that this angle name AOB, that is angle AOB can be written as 2 times angle 1 angle, that is AOP we can say, that is 2 times angle 1. That AOB is nothing but 2 times angle 1. We have 2 angle 1 inside the AOB. We can say that 2 times angle 1. Same way this P angle can be written as APB is equal to 2 times angle, any one of the angle we can consider. This angle we are considering, that name is APO, that is 2 times angle 2. Now we need to prove addition of these two angles is 180 degree. So let us substitute now to find. Now we need to find the addition of these two angles, that is angle AOB plus angle APB. That is our question actually. Now we are going to substitute. In the place of AOB we got 2 times angle 1 plus APB we got 2 times angle 2. We can take the 2 as a common term outside. This is remaining here angle 1 plus angle 2 we are getting, which is equal to 2 times angle 1 plus angle 2 value we got at 90 degree. So 2 into 90 degree, which is equal to 180 degree. So here angle AOB plus APB we reached 180 degree. So the angles which formed by the tangent and which is subtended by the center will be supplementary angles. That's what our proof hence proved. Thank you students. Thank you for watching. Like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.